In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. Keeping Zoom current gives you the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, and the process is quick and built right into the app. Start by opening Zoom on your Windows 11 computer. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Zoom home window with options like New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. If you have any meetings running, finish or pause them first so the update can install without interrupting your call. Next, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see your initials in a small circle instead. That's the same button. Clicking it opens your account menu with a list of options. From that menu, choose Check for Updates. This tells Zoom to reach out to its servers and compare the version you have with the latest release. You don't need to leave the app or open a browser. Everything happens right here. Now, give Zoom a moment to search for the newest version. Depending on your internet speed, it can take a few seconds. You may see a small pop-up or progress bar while it checks. If your device is already up to date, Zoom will clearly say so, and you can simply continue using the app. If Zoom finds a newer version, click Update. Zoom will download the installer and begin applying the update automatically. Keep the window open and avoid closing the app during this part. You might see a brief Windows prompt asking for permission. Go ahead and allow it so the installer can proceed. The update typically only takes a minute or two, and you'll often see a short list of what's new, like bug fixes or feature tweaks. Once the installation completes, restart Zoom to apply the update. Closing the app and reopening it ensures all the new components load correctly. If you were signed in before, you'll return to the home screen just as you left it. If prompted to sign in again, that's normal after an update. Enter your usual credentials and you're good to go. That's it. By opening Zoom, clicking your profile picture, selecting Check for Updates, waiting for the scan, choosing Update when available, and restarting the app, you'll keep Zoom running smoothly and securely on Windows 11. Make a habit of checking every so often so you don't miss important improvements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with the latest Zoom version.